In this video, I would like to show you how you can send notification from your desktop to your phone. I will be using something called MyNotifier, an API you can use to send notifications. Log into MyNotifier. This is MyNotifier dashboard. If you go to how to, you'll see this link that you'll need to use and your API key right here. You can also see your API key if you go to account, click reveal API key. On your phone you will have to install the MyNotifier app and log in with the same Gmail you used to log in here. After you logged into the app, go to profile and click on add this device. In your Python code import requests module, I will create a message variable. Use post method of request module. Here paste in the link. In second bracket, put API key and message and set type to success. Run this code. As you can see, a notification with a message came to my phone.